Hi friends, Tandy here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and show your girls some love by subscribing to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove stubborn marks and burnt food on your glass or ceramic stove top. As you can see, this stove has some very stubborn marks that would not go away with anything that I have tried. And this other plate has thick burnt food buildup. The results are going to amaze you. This is a game changer, guys. You'll see how, so stay tuned. Here's what you need to get started: a non-scratch sponge, paper towel or a microfiber towel for wiping, glass cleaner for polishing, and this product called the pink stuff. This is the secret product, guys, and this is how it looks. It's a paste. It's a thick paste. It forms, and the good thing is it's non-toxic and works great. I'll do another video showing you other areas where you can use it, so be sure you are subscribed to the channel so you won't miss out on anything. Apply the paste on the affected areas. Begin to scrub in circular motion using your non-scratch sponge. This will help to loosen all the marks or the burnt food on the stove. Wipe using a paper towel or microfiber towel and repeat the wiping if there's still more product left behind. You can see the difference already, right? Apply your glass cleaner and give the stove a shiny finish. As you can see, all the burnt food and the marks are completely gone. Look at that, guys. It's amazing. For a full video on everyday maintenance cleaning of your stovetop, be sure to check out this video here. I'll also put the link below and also links to products used in this video. Also, if you have a problem with food debris getting stuck between the cabinets and stove, check out this video on how to solve that problem. That's it, friends. I hope you learned something new today. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if this was helpful to you. Also, remember to subscribe and to click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload another video, and I'll love you forever. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.